Welcome to Tweetful Educational Series. We are going to take a look at 10 great ideas to tweet. Idea number 1. Create your own tweets. This trend is becoming increasingly popular on Twitter. When you go to search.twitter.com and type in any hashtag, you will see photos before you see any of the tweets. By creating an image and tweeting it with the popular hashtag from your niche, you have an opportunity to show up in the prime real estate at the top of the Twitter hashtag search. Idea number 2. Current event tweets. Current event tweets work well for a couple of reasons. They show your audience to keep up to date about what is going on. Plus, they allow you to take advantage of the popular hashtags for current events. Be sure to research the hashtag so you can include them in your tweets. Idea number 3. GIF tweets. GIFs on Twitter always spawn engagement. A lot of people think you have to be a high-tech wizard to create your own GIFs. Guess what? You don't. Use makeagif.com. They always turn out to be fabulous. Idea number 4. Question tweets. Questions are an effective way to spark engagement in your Twitter stream. These work especially well when the topic of the question is something your audience is interested in, or when the question is just plain funny. People love to give their opinion, especially on Twitter. Be sure you are there to engage with your followers when they answer. Idea number 5. High quality photo tweets. There is no question that tweets with high quality images do well. So take advantage of that. Take picture of things that other people don't notice. Make it stand out. Type something short and interesting about your photo. Idea number 6. Promo codes or flash sales tweets. Sharing promo codes or sales on Twitter, especially if they are exclusively available just to your Twitter followers, is a great way to increase engagement and sales. Idea number 7. Event tweets. There is a conference or networking event that your brand is participating in or attending that your Twitter followers know. Also, live tweeting with your audience is a great way to engage with industry leaders, specialists, and attendees, and to generate a conversation around session. Idea number 8. Trending topic tweets. Twitter promotes trending topics that are being highly discussed on their platform. The golden rule of trending topics is to always make sure you know exactly what the trending topic is about. Make sure it is relevant to your brand if you tweet about it. Idea number 9. Polls. Twitter has built-in polling capabilities, so asking for feedback from your audience is easy. Plus, this is a great way to just ask fun questions and see how the answers turn out. Idea number 10. Running a contest on Twitter. Simpler contests work great within the social media platform. A trivia question either related to your business or not is just one of many ways you can engage your followers with your brand.